Let me show you simple framework you can follow. Role, task, style, visual. Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on LionAI and discover every feature step by step. Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. You click this video, you're probably someone who understands faster when things are visual. Why infographics are so powerful? Now you might be wondering, why should I create an infographic instead of simply sharing a document? The answer is simple. People understand visuals much faster than text. Imagine receiving a 20-page report. Most people won't read every page. But if the same information is presented as an infographic, they can understand the key insights in just a few seconds. Infographics help people understand complex information quickly, remember important information longer, share information more effectively. Think about it this way. If someone explains a process using 5 pages of text, it may take several minutes to understand. But when the same process is shown as a visual flowchart or infographic, the entire concept can become clear almost instantly. This is especially valuable for students studying difficult subjects, teachers explaining lessons, business owners presenting reports. In fact, our brains are naturally designed to recognize visual patterns quickly. That's why charts, diagrams, icons, timelines, and visual summaries are often easier to understand than large blocks of text. Search NotebookLM and go to NotebookLM. Try NotebookLM. Create new notebook. Now I paste source link into this area. Now I press this button. Now I click this arrow icon in this area. Using this customize tool, you can select orientation, landscape, portrait, square. You can select visual style. You can select how your infographic look like. In this box, you can guide the AI. For example, now I am going to tell you how to give a prompt to get a quality infographic. When you give a well-structured prompt, you can get a much better infographic output from NotebookLM or any tool. Let me show you simple framework you can follow. Role, task, style, visual. Role. Tell the AI who it should act as. For example, act as a data analyst or think like a research expert. This helps the AI understand the mindset it should choose. Task. Clearly explain what you want it to create. Example, create a source-based infographic using only the given data. This removes confusion and keeps the output focused. Style. Describe the design direction. Example, clean, modern, corporate style with a professional look. This controls how the final infographic will feel visually. Visual. Guide how it should look. For example, use soft blue and gray color tones. This is extra point for the creating infographic. Always include this when creating an infographic. If the infographic is full of text everywhere, the viewer can get confused and lose interest. Always remind to give this prompt when creating infographic. Keep 30 or 40% white space for better readability. Now I am going to add some prompt to this area. Firstly, I give role act as a data analyst. Now I am going to give task. Next, we need to give a style. I select a style from this. I select this style. Then I give colors. Now I am going to keep 30% white space in this infographic. Next, I click this generate button. Now, infographic was created.